Hey, what's up guys? We're over here at Nutrisport. Ben Martin, David Calderon, talking a little bit about greens today. Going to talk a little bit about the importance of greens, the functions of greens, the benefits of greens. What's probably the main reason why people don't get enough greens in their diet?
They don't necessarily taste that great.
Exactly. I like asparagus, I like broccoli, I like kale, but I can't necessarily do 8 to 10 servings of it a day.
I don't like any of those.
So, all the more reason why this is an important discussion. What's a good alternative if we're not able to eat enough greens?
Supplementing with green supplements.
Exactly. There's powders out there now, guys, that are very concentrated, that actually are pretty palatable as well, which is important, in my opinion. If something doesn't taste good, you're not going to be compliant in taking it. So that's what we want to talk a little bit about. How to get your greens in easily without having to necessarily eat tons of greens. Let's talk a little bit about some of the functions of greens first. What would be, a couple different functions that you see for a green?
The most important one that I see is raising pH, and underneath that fall numerous benefits.
Absolutely, absolutely. If we raise pH, that's kind of where all the magic happens. Absorption of nutrients is going to be better. Immunity is going to be better. We're going to avert any type of bacteria or virus or disease, including cancer.
Because those things thrive in acidic environments, so
Yep.
raising pH helps to stave those off.
Absolutely. And most people, I would say, are acidic because,
It's a safe assumption.
Absolutely.
Nearly everything we do is acid causing.
Yeah, working out is acid causing. High protein diets are acid forming. Stress, which all of us are under, is acid forming. My gosh, the ridiculously processed foods that we eat, that's acid forming. So Ben makes a great point. Greens help to raise pH. If we can raise pH, we're going to avert all of those negative issues. That's kind of, I would say, the most important reason to take a green. Another reason, they improve oxygen delivery to all the different cells and tissues of the body. Oxygen is the breath of life, so more oxygen delivery, better cellular function, and better cellular function, well, the organism is going to function more efficiently. Another benefit.
Buffering lactic acid and other waste products that are built up during workouts like carbon dioxide.
Absolutely. Whenever you work out, you produce waste products, lactic acid, like Ben talked about, carbon dioxide as well. So if we can ingest more greens, especially after a workout, that's going to help to speed what?
Recovery.
Exactly. And the faster we can recover, well, the faster we're going to be able to build lean tissue, repair tissue, and get back into the gym. Recovery is key. So that's what we should talk a little bit about, I think, too. Dosage. When should we take this stuff? How much? What would you say?
Typical recommendations are a serving in the morning.
And this is the green, guys, right here. It's called Cyto Greens.
A serving in the evening as well. I actually like to do a serving immediately post-workout, like we talked about, to buffer those acids that we've built up during our workout. That's going to raise the pH in our stomach, thus improving absorbability of our post-workout proteins.
Yep. Yeah, Ben's right. After the workout, we're very acidic, so we want to raise that pH. Greens are perfect to take immediately post-workout. We have a lot of waste products that have built up within the cells due to that workout. Greens are going to buffer and neutralize and eliminate a lot of those waste products, which is huge, speeding that all-important recovery. I think there's a couple other times that we should take it, because what's another function of greens? It's going to improve digestive function, transit time of food. It's going to clean up your GI tract, your bowels, essentially. So I think the most important time, other than post-workout, first thing in the morning, before you do anything. Wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely. The morning is when we start our day. I mean, what better way to start it than with greens and alkalizing ourselves?
Yep. Yeah, we're acidic in the morning. I mean, that's why, sometimes, after the first urination, very, very dark urine because we're so acidic.
And we're trying to dump those toxins so that we've stored up overnight.
Precisely. Greens help to accelerate the excretion, the removal of all those toxins. So, great way to start the day. Usually, just 1 scoop of this stuff, guys, in like 8 to 10 ounces of water. Go ahead and kill it first thing in the morning. Wait about 30 minutes or so, and then I would say it's okay for them to go ahead and have their breakfast.
Absolutely. Same concept as your post-workout shake, improving absorbability of our breakfast.
Exactly. So first thing in the morning, I think, is a really important time. Immediately post-workout to speed recovery. Before bed, I think, is the last time that we should go ahead and do it. Same way, correct?
Identical.
Yeah, 1 scoop, 8 to 10 ounces of water, and that's going to give you the greens that you're not necessarily able to eat. You're going to improve stamina and endurance during your workout as well. You're going to recover faster because, like Ben said, you're going to be able to remove waste products more quickly, more effectively.